Welcome. If you're looking to remove or delete the title of the group owner in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Telegram has made it easier than ever to manage your group's admin settings and personalize, or even clear out, your owner title. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and head over to Telegram Web. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're inside, you'll see your list of chats on the left. Find and click on the group where you are the owner. This is important, as only the group owner can change or delete their own custom title. With your group open, look to the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. A menu will appear. From here, select Edit. This will open up the group's settings, giving you access to all the customization options. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on Administrators. This section lists everyone who has admin rights in your group. At the very top, you'll see yourself listed as the owner. Click on your name to open your admin settings. Here's where you can manage your custom title. Under the Custom Title field, you'll see whatever title is currently set for you as the group owner. To remove it, simply delete all the text in that box so it's completely empty. Once the field is blank, look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the window and click it. Telegram will update your settings right away, and your owner title will be gone. Now, when members view the admin list or your messages, they'll no longer see any custom title next to your name. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your group owner title on Telegram Web using your PC. This small change can help keep your group's admin list clean and professional, or just give you a fresh start if you want to update your role later. Thanks for following along, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with the latest features.